Go ahead when you're ready, okay? Yeah, so we're just thinking about placement.
What?
Thinking about placement. Yeah, an oar going in before you drive. And I'm gonna start to coach you, okay? So what you're gonna imagine is that we don't want you to pause at the catch, but we almost want your seat to like stand still for half a moment while you place the oar. So your shoulders are still moving because you're catching the blade. Yeah. And then once you feel the oar go in and attach to the water, then you drive back. All right, take two and then let it run, and then Jean's gonna come in and do the same thing. Okay, good. Now Jean, you're gonna do exactly the same thing, so just rowing, thinking about placement of the oar. Now, I'm gonna talk to Sue while you're getting started, Jean. So go ahead when you're ready. So Sue, that feels pretty simple, doesn't it? Like when you're rowing by yourself, does it? Yeah, I'd have to say it looked like you were achieving what you wanted. So now Jean, thinking about placing the oar into the water, making sure that your seat doesn't start to slide back until your oar actually grabs the water. Yeah, until you have that contact with the water. Yeah. And so that also means not applying pressure on the foot plate until the oar goes in. So oar goes in and then we apply the pressure. So Jean, does this feel pretty okay? Yeah, I'd say that you're achieving it too. So then here's the deal though, it changes when y'all are rowing together, right? So now we're gonna get you all rowing together. Why don't you do a quick course correction, Sue? Just take a couple of strokes. And then we're gonna get you all in unison, and I'm gonna tell you some of these cues I want you to think about, okay? And whenever you're ready. Okay, so thinking about dropping the oar into the water at the catch. It's a nice light drop. It's not a big difference in your handle level. So here we are. So what we're thinking about is, you just spoke about the quad and how one of your teammates says soft catch and then acceleration. And so the idea is getting the oar into the water, letting the oar actually go into the water, starting your drive back, and then you really start to pick up speed. And so we're looking for this right now in your stroke. So I think a little bit of the inconsistency for y'all is that maybe, I don't know, I mean this is just maybe me with my conservative squaring up timing, but maybe you have a slight bit of a flip catch, and so you have to do a lot when you get up to the catch. You have to square up the blade and then put the oar into the water. So we could look at it from that angle. Also, Sue and Jean, you all have a slight bit of a different catch. So if you watch the speed at which your legs push down, Jean kind of has like a slower push down, and Sue has more of like a pop right off the catch. So I'm going to have you all let it run, and we're going to try to address it from all three places.